Alright, what's up, Mud? Seduce Television Gang. We back at it again. I'm cleaning up the area. The mod's already there in your face. Yeah. Cleaning up everything in my car. Got it all jacked up and everything already, but it's just some things when I go to the muffler shop that I gotta get him to do. Like, she already shoot flames, so you know what I'm saying? I gotta get the tips put on before it destroy this bumper. Because I have a muffler, I'm probably gonna do it like right here. I know they said like 12 inches. That's probably like, yeah, that's probably enough right there. So whatever I decide to, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna get my tips put on probably another day. I need to go up front. I think I need to tighten the exhaust again because it sounds like it's a leak. But I think I'm gonna have to get my mid pipes done again. I don't know. When the mid pipes get a hole in them, that's probably when I'll put the damn turbo kit on this motherfucker. But if you don't know, this is a Cook's long tube to a Corsa exhaust. I gotta put that actuator on right there. Put that shit in my Where is it? Right here? Yeah. I gotta put this on. The springs right there. What? Yeah. And I needed some of them too because I didn't want to have to cut in two. Well, you gotta splice it, it seems. So it doesn't even matter. So when I get to that part, I'll pick the camera back up. The sun's just coming out. It's still cold, I know. Not really cold. I'm in the DMV. In the morning it's cold. So the sun come out. But I'm gonna finish cleaning everything up and go upstairs, get my drill, the Insta360. So I might do some time lapse so y'all can actually see. But when we get to the important parts, I'll pick the camera back up. Alright, so I mounted that up. I'm gonna mount it right here because I got that, and I think it's gonna have it bulging up or whatever if I try to mount it like right here where everybody else did. It shouldn't matter which side goes to which side, so I'm not really worried about that either. Use the drill bit to open that up. Now I got it on. Now I'm about to tighten it back down, and then I'll probably get under here, do that right actuator. Gotta put that back in. I forgot I took that out. Simple stuff. And tighten the exhaust. Then I gotta go up to the front and show y'all how to do that. So my drill died, but I got one side. Basically just need to stick this through and put it on the other side. And you're done. That's really how you do it. It looks crooked. Who cares? I don't. My drill died, so I have to go charge it, and I'll probably be doing other little things. So I'll pick the camera back up when I get to the next thing. I don't do nothing in order. I'm flip-floppy. I run back and forth. So I'll get back at y'all. Get you a 7/8 French 21. Make sure it's in an area where you could stick the wrench down. And yeah, so you ain't gotta go through all the welding and stuff. I'm about to do that now. I don't think I could do it on camera. I don't got my cameraman out here, but you get the idea. At least let me set it up and I'll start doing it. The 7/8 doesn't exactly work, but I got it to work. Let me see if I could, but I can't record. Try to record and do it, but you see, you just twist the spark plug in, and yeah. Alright. Actuating on this side. You can see it. She plugged in, ready to go. You got this one right here. Hold on, let me zoom back out. This one right here is dirty, but it's all there. Tighten the front half of the exhaust up. And my wires hanging, whatever that is. It's probably to my lights. I rigged them up. What time? Mama. We've done all that. Now it's time to start cleaning up and start getting ready to move my car. I gotta move it over there because I ran out of power. We really just stuck right here with this one. I got this side in, and then I stopped. So I'm gonna start cleaning up and start putting all this back together. I definitely gotta put this back in first, and then we're gonna get back to the regular program. I disassembled a little bit of the car, but I just took the 4 bolts out of the center console. This is the red wire. I'm running it from the back to, you know, to the thing, but I just got it through. I think I'm gonna mount my button right here. Right there somewhere, but I don't think I did the best job, but it's somewhat hidden. So I'm gonna start putting this back together now because, like I told you, I'm everywhere. So I get back at you. Bow. Red one go in the middle. I might go get the drill again because it's been in there charging. I gotta switch the spot for my dad soon because I could just drill through this one, but the outside of the car and through the trunk, I'm gonna need a stronger drill. So I'm doing all the other stuff now while I'm trying not to waste time. So let's go back under the hood. Alright, so it's a brown and yellow cable right here. You put one to the top, one to the bottom. I'm sending mine firewall right there, if you can see. She'll be back. Alright, well, you can see it right there. Sending it through there. Just come right out. And then that's like, no leak is not. Let me turn the light on. Yeah, basically, right there. It comes straight through there. You know, run it on the right to your button. I still got this on my bad, y'all. Yeah, right to your button, right there. Just run it. I don't have enough line already, I can see. So I'm about to have to find some. Buy some. We'll figure it out though. Yeah. Let me get my battery off the ground. This shit ain't the best, but I got it to a point where I could zip tie it and it's not just, you know, hanging and shit. I'm I'm gonna try to put it right here and see if I can still put this on there. As you see, that space to sit something under it, so it might be good doing that. That's the best way to make it clean. This is just moving around because, you know, it ain't too bad. I'm cleaning up now. All right, they on there. Top one goes top, bottom one goes to bottom. I put 2 pieces of tape on the top one. I put 1 piece of tape on the bottom. Well, it's self-explanatory. Now I'm about to send it through the firewall right there and go around and catch it. Get you some zip ties on there to hold it down, you know, hold it to that part of the fuse box. And tuck it as best as you can. Push this back in. Might be a little tough because of these wires, but you know, get it as far as you can. All in there. All right, the button in. I still gotta get the little line. And, I gotta get some more. I got this. So they could go to one side. I don't think both will be long enough. So, yeah. I messed up one of the things that's under here. Cause I did too close, but shit, this gonna do for now, y'all. Here's what it is. I got this drill back out here because I'm about to try to, I ain't doing it with that battery. I'm about to try to open this side. See if I can get back under here and open that side right quick. Alright, top goes to the front one. Middle goes to the red, that's in the back. Bottom goes to the bottom. Now I just gotta put them two together. And really just drill in the back of my truck. I mean, trunk and stuff. So, top, bottom. Top, bottom. It's the same one though. You just splicing it. Well, top, bottom. Do y'all really need to see this? Black goes right there to ground. I just gotta go through here. These, you take the bottom boot off and put onto this, and then you screw it in. You just like screw it in as tight as you can when you get to this part. And this part just goes on there. I just gotta, this drill ain't powerful enough, so I gotta either go back in the house or I gotta move my car across the street and just take these bolts down so I could, wherever I'm gonna run them to. I don't know, I might could just slide them through when I get to that part. We'll see. I might not record no more. I might just get straight into the flame part for y'all. That's about it. Alright. Both sides on. Let me zip tie this little stuff down. And then we're gonna go try it. I'm gonna show y'all the car still cold, so it give me a couple little pops on the cold star, and then we'll try that out. It died. Do that mean I did it right? Let me put the camera out here.